Hello everyone, this is Mayank Chavada with Team Microbeer. As you know, we are customized PCB test fixture manufacturing company and providing customized test fixtures as per client requirement. So this is a unique test fixture we have designed and developed for one PCBA. So you can user have proper access of the DUT when they are putting DUT on this kind of fixtures. So these are like a paper kind of system, and this kind of interlocks will come into the fixture. I will show you how to put the PCB and all that criteria in this fixture. So if your PCB is small in size and number of test points are small, like it's less, then you can use this kind of fixture for your testing purpose. So it will be very easy for user to flash the controller or to test some of the power parameters. Also, this kind of fixture is quietly utilized when you need a safety for the operator. So when we put the DUT on fixture, operator can don't have any access of PCB area. So if high voltages or high amperes are going to come through pogo pins, then this kind of fixture is quietly utilized. You can see a very properly mounted pogo pins, very accurately mounted pogo pins. As we have in-house mechanical, electrical, electronics, and software development team, we can provide you the best out of the best solutions for the any kind of PCB attached fixtures. So I'll just put the DUT on fixture so you'll get an idea. Just user need to put this DUT into the fixture. Due to dowels, it is quite easy for user to place the DUT on fixture, and there will be an Pokayoke also, so user cannot put the PCB in either directions. Just need to close this like this. All the test points are connected to particular connectors, or we can give the wiring. So you can do wiring externally as per your electronic or electrical system. Just need to get back like this. So it will be quite easy for any user to put this kind of PCB on fixer and have the access of the DUT of test points from any directions or any points. So you can have a 360-degree look. We provide very rigid and reliable system. So multiple times, if you are using this kind of fixes, then there won't be any misalignment, or there won't be any issues while putting DUT, or there should not be any like unmatching of the test points to the particular locations. We order of two different fixes, like same fixes. So you can see a second fixer also. Each and every part are machining inside only. We are designing very accurately all the things. So when we put the DUT on fixture, all things will come into the alignment of particular test points, and it will be easy for user to have the accessibility of any test points. So if you have any such kind of requirements, you can contact Micro. We can provide you fixtures within very short time and give the best out of the best solutions for any kind of PCB test fixtures. Thank you for watching us. Thank you.